Dominic Salvino of Group 1 Trading joins us now for the final trade of the day. And it's been an interesting week. We did get a pop in the VIX this week. So what is the smart money doing here? The big institutional guys, what's the trade there?
Well, a lot of the money is actually sitting on the sidelines right now. We're seeing a lot of sit and wait, a lot of people trying to handicap the situation. They're not seeing a lot of news in the near future that they're going to play to. However, if they're looking at anything right now, it's probably the jobs number on Friday.
That's a big deal. The number today could maybe move the market, do you think?
Right now, you're seeing two things that can affect the market still, and that's outside of, wild cards like North Korea. It's the jobs number and what the Fed decides to do when they start reading those tea leaves. The jobs number at least is a little bit more solid. You're getting an actual number out there. We're going to see the jobs number on Friday, and we're going to expect from that there'll be a pop in volatility coming into that, because that should move the market a little bit.
Okay, we'll see what happens there. Are you surprised how many times we've had the VIX close below 10? And does that tell you anything?
It's a very quiet summer, and that's what it's telling me. The contango, the futures market, what that means is that the back months are higher right now than the front months, is as stiff as I've seen it. And that's to be expected when things are this quiet. The reason being, as you saw earlier in this week, when you get this low in volatility, it acts very much like a coiled spring. It's going to pop back hard if something happens, much harder than if it were already at 20 or 25, if the spring was already expanded. Volatility is going to move very, very hard.
Okay, we'll be standing by. Thank you, Dominic.
Thank you.